Price reduced. Bring offers now. Stunning 3-bed plus den, 3-bath waterfront, pool home built in 2019, sitting on over an acre of land with direct access to the Gulf. You can now fish from your backyard. This contemporary home features imported Italian marble flooring and a high-end modern kitchen. Convection stovetop and wall oven/microwave, walk-in pantry, and under-cabinet dismantle lighting. Breakfast nook with aquarium window. All impact glass, so no shutters are needed. Double luxurious master bedrooms with en suites. Bathrooms boast European-styled Styled Vanities, separate tubs, and doorless showers with linear drains, closets with built-ins and frosted glass sliding barn doors. You will have plenty of room to entertain on this huge lanai with ample space under the truss and a panoramic screen for your beautiful water views. Large, Inground, Saltwater Pool. 113 feet of waterfront and dock is already in place. Long, palm tree lined, paved, and circular drive take you to this spectacular estate home. Centrally located, all shopping sources are 5 minutes away, and hospitals and walk-in clinics are 5 minutes away.